Hello, Nick, you sexy toy boy, you. I love you forever. Um, Here's the song which you have requested, along with the intro which you also requested. Um, this song is called Bubbles, and I never recorded it, but I used to play it live, so thanks for remembering it. I hope you like it. Springtime, flowers are in bloom. I think I've been affected by the moon. I turned a leaf, I changed my tune. These days I'm less obsessed with doom. Did you find me? Did I find you? Life's cheesy and sugary too. Now you're around, I'm never blue. I like you, I like you. 'Cause I see you and I float to the ceiling. It's what Charlie and Grandpa were feeling. It entertains and terrifies me, living in a silly Willy Wonka scene involving bubbles. And I think I'm gonna get myself in trouble. A picnic on a grassy hill, bathe me in the sun somehow. I'll still pick up all kinds of nasty chills. You'd be really dead if looks could kill. 'Cause I shoot lasers out my eyes. You look surprised I'm made of ice. Well, I think you're a real swell guy. I'll shoot out ice cream or something nice. Or something nice. 'Cause I see you and I float to the ceiling. It's what Charlie and Grandpa were feeling. It entertains and terrifies me, living in a silly Willy Wonka scene. Living in a silly Willy Wonka scene involving bubbles. And I just hope I don't get myself in trouble. Hurrah! Thank you. Have a groovy day.